All right, you've returned. Let's do a volume of revolution. We have this curve here, which is y equals x squared over 1 minus x squared. Sure, I'll believe you. And it's enclosed, so we want the area enclosed by the y-axis, the line y is 3, and the curve. That area there is going to get rotated 360 degrees around the y-axis in order to form a solid. Our job, funnily enough, is to find the volume. So let's go straight in. We are doing a revolution of 360 or 2 pi around the y-axis, so that will be pi x squared dy. That is what we want. Now, looking at this equation, let's do a little bit of rearranging, because what we'd quite like is to get x squared as the subject, right? Because this needs to be in terms of y. So let's multiply that up to get y minus y times x squared is equal to x squared. So y is x squared plus y x squared. So if we factorize and divide, we get x squared is y over 1 plus y. All right, we've done the hard part, right? So we need to integrate. Now, y is going from 0 to 3. Y over 1 plus y. Now, a couple of ways to do this. We could add and subtract 1 on the top, but you know what? I'm going to be a little bit cheeky about this. I'm going to make the substitution u equals y plus 1. du is just dy, so that's nice. So we end up with pi. Now, if y is 0, u is 1. If y is 3, u is 4. Y becomes u minus 1 if you rearrange this over u du. So this is just, if we split this up, that's 1 minus 1 over u du, which is u minus ln u between 1 and 4, which is pi times 4 minus ln 4 minus pi times 1 minus ln 1, ln 1 of course being 0. So if we tidy all this up, we end up with a volume of pi times 3 minus ln 4. A little bit more to do there than we would have originally thought. What starts off as a nice, simple volume of revolution, actually we need to do a bit of rearranging, we need to do a substitution or some other trickery to get our final answer. Either way, we had great fun doing it, right? Right? Just me. Cool. Never mind. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications, like the video again, subscribe again, unsubscribe, resubscribe, drop us a comment, all that cool stuff. And all that's left for me to do today is to say thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.